Inside all buildings, a heart is beating. Since 1853, when Elijah Graves Otis designed and built the first safety elevator in history, we have always been the indisputable leaders in technological innovation. This leadership has led us to create the OTIS GeN2, the next generation of elevators. Starting from a simple idea, we have completely redesigned the elevator, creating a new concept and achieving levels of comfort, safety, and environmental protection hitherto unknown. In the OTIS GeN2 elevators, the conventional wire ropes have been replaced by flat-coated steel belts. The superior flexibility of the belts allows for a much smaller diameter sheave to be used, making it possible to design a new gearless machine that is 70% smaller than a conventional one. In this way, the need for a machine room is eliminated, and the space required for the elevator hoistway is reduced to a minimum, which translates into reduced construction costs, greater design freedom for architects, and more usable space for developers and building users. The light and compact machine of the GeN2 can be easily installed on the car and counterweight rails, transferring all the loads to the pit and allowing for further reductions in the structural costs of the building. Its radical design and permanent magnet motor make it up to 50% more energy efficient than a conventional machine. With the OTIS GeN2, we have achieved that energy consumption is up to 40% less than current traction systems and up to 55% less than hydraulic elevators, thus reducing the operational costs. As well as contributing to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, if all the elevators in the world were OTIS GeN2, CO2 emissions in the elevator industry could be reduced by approximately 50% each year. As the sealed bearings of the machine require no oil, and the polyurethane-coated belts are lubrication-free, the amount of hazardous waste produced by the OTIS GeN2 is nil. The metal-to-metal effect of conventional wire ropes is a source of noise and constant wear and tear. In contrast, the polyurethane coating of the flat steel belts guarantees a smooth, quiet performance and significantly reduces the wear on the sheath and belts, thus increasing their lifespan. Furthermore, the machine is mounted on rubber pads that minimize the vibrations transmitted to the building, thus making it possible to reduce the costs of soundproofing the elevator hoistway. The GeN2 is equipped with a closed-loop variable frequency control that ensures consistently smooth acceleration and deceleration, and provides superior ride comfort and practically perfect leveling accuracy. The OTIS GeN2 has numerous safety systems, such as the DTR, that prevents the car doors being opened when it is stopped between floors, and the heat sensors located in the machine, the controller, and the drive. Passenger safety can be reinforced by installing the Lambda 2D entrance protection system. A curtain of infrared beams detects any obstacle and reopens the doors instantly. And in order to provide maximum safety and reliability of the equipment, the OTIS GeN2 has incorporated the Pulse system, a first-of-its-kind technology that continuously monitors and ensures the integrity of the flat-coated steel belts. The three-car aesthetics of the OTIS GeN2, Optima, Selecta, and Lumina, offer multiple choices of materials, colors, flooring, handrails, mirrors, and endless optional features so that the elevator can be adapted to your particular needs. It is more comfortable, safer, and environment-friendly. It is the OTIS GeN2, the next generation of elevators.